Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be showing you how to use Viggle AI. So at the top here you have creating, you have library. Basically the library is where you can see all the stuff you've created with Viggle already. If you're starting out to use Viggle, you wouldn't be having any in the library. And then underneath the create you have mix and move. Now, both of them actually do the same thing, but the sequence is different. For example, in mix, you get to put the motion and you get to put the character afterward. But when you go to move, you get to put the character first and you get to get the motion after. Right here, we're going to start with mix. So say we have a video we'd like to upload, and using the drag and drop option, we're just going to drag and drop it over here. It's going to load. As you can see, we have our video here and a young man is dancing. And say we want to have a picture to replace the man in the video. This is what Viggle is all about. So we're going to look for an image to replace here. Using the drag and drop feature, we're also going to drag and drop it here. And while that's loading, you get to choose the background. And currently the background is the original. Of course, we're going to be using this same background. You could choose to use a green screen where this person here will be here, but in a green screen. Or you could also choose a white screen. So we're going to leave it at original. Now you want to take note that sometimes the original might appear in yours, but might disappear in some other cases. You might have just the green and the white. So for now, we're going to leave it in original. And then we have the motion video and we also have the still image. So at the end, we want the still image to be in the same place as the character moving in the video. So we're just going to go ahead and click on create. It's also important to note before we click on create that you can only create one at a time. And currently we're using the free version. As you can see at the top right corner here, you can see upgrade. And when you upgrade, your mode will be in turbo. It means that you will be prioritized for your creations. However, we're just going to go ahead and use what we have. We actually had this video, so we're using it. But if you don't have a video, you can just simply go to template and then choose if you want someone who is singing and dancing, or you want someone in the basketball field to be doing something with the video, and we could have this video replaced there. However, we have a video, so we're just going to leave it. It's just an option for you to bring in your video or to use a template in order to change your photo into what's in the video. So now we're going to click on create. It's going to take a few moments. As you can see, it's currently generating. While we're waiting for it to generate, we're going to bring that image once again here, and then we're going to choose a template just to show you the difference. And so we have anime. We're going to choose anime. There are different scene options here, or we might go over to soccer because we don't have much options in anime. And we're going to go over to any of these and select it. So we're going to choose this one, the Bellingham Splendid Performance. We're going to choose it, and then we're going to click on confirm. Now we have this already done. So we're going to click on create for this new one, and we're going to watch this. As you can see, the original character has been replaced with a picture we actually put in here. And now we can see the other option, and we're going to click on it. After having all of this, you have the option to delete it, or you have the option to download it. So this is how to use Viggle.